Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tool sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a mechanic, DIY enthusiast, or just want to have the right gear for home repairs, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is a Craftsman 57-piece mechanics tool set. This is our budget option, designed for those who want a reliable starter tool set without breaking the bank. Priced at just $44.98, it's ideal for light repairs and everyday household tasks. The set includes a low-profile ratchet with a 72-tooth mechanism that delivers a 5-degree arc swing, making it great for accessing tight spaces. You'll also get sockets, hex keys, pliers, screwdrivers, and even a hammer. The durable blow mold case makes storage and portability a breeze. In terms of design, the polished chrome finish gives the tools a sleek and corrosion-resistant appearance. While it's not the most comprehensive set on this list, it's a solid option for light-duty use. The tools are ergonomic and comfortable to use for short projects. The biggest highlight here is the incredible value for the price. However, the limited number of pieces means this set might not be suitable for advanced DIYers or mechanics. If you need a simple, affordable set for occasional use, this one's for you. Pros include affordability, portability, and durability. The downsides? It's not as versatile or extensive as the higher-ranked options. At number 4, we have the King Tool 325-piece home repair toolkit. This set is designed for homeowners who want a versatile and comprehensive kit for a wide range of tasks. For $89.98, you get an impressive 325 pieces, including screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, a hammer, and even precision tools for smaller repairs. It comes in a durable plastic case with an independent sliding drawer, which adds extra storage capacity. The tools themselves are made of heat-treated chrome for durability and corrosion resistance, and the soft grip handles make them comfortable to use. One standout feature is the variety of screwdriver bits, ranging from Phillips and slotted to star and square. This makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts who need tools for multiple applications. However, while the sheer variety of tools is impressive, the build quality doesn't quite match the premium feel of the higher-tier products on this list. It's also not as portable, due to its size and weight. Overall, it's a great all-in-one option for general household repairs and small automotive tasks. Pros include the large variety of tools and the affordable price. Cons: the build quality may not satisfy professional users, and the case can feel a bit bulky. Taking the third spot is the Craftsman 59-piece mechanics tool set. Priced at $84.15, this set strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it ideal for automotive enthusiasts and DIYers. The tools feature a full polish chrome finish for corrosion resistance, and the 72-tooth ratchet allows for a minimal 5-degree arc swing, providing excellent precision in tight spaces. This set includes a good assortment of sockets, wrenches, ratchets, and specialty bits, all neatly organized in a durable blow-molded case. The design ensures that each tool has its place, making it easy to keep everything organized. The tools feel solid and durable, capable of handling medium-duty tasks with ease. While it doesn't have the massive variety of the King tool set, the higher build quality and practical selection of tools make it a better choice for those who value durability. It's perfect for home mechanics and those tackling more involved projects. Pros include high-quality materials, a well-organized case, and a solid lifetime warranty. However, the lack of advanced specialty tools and slightly heavier weight might be a drawback for some. In second place, we have the Craftsman 102-piece toolkit. At $109, this set is a fantastic mid-range option for both home and car repairs. It includes a well-rounded selection of tools such as sockets, pliers, screwdrivers, a hammer, and a utility knife. The standout feature is the inclusion of both SAE and metric sockets, making it highly versatile for a variety of tasks. The low-profile ratchet with a 72-tooth mechanism ensures precision and ease of use, even in tight spaces. The blow-molded case is durable and makes it easy to transport and store the tools. The tools themselves are sturdy and well-built, with a polished finish that enhances both aesthetics and corrosion resistance. This set offers a great compromise between size and comprehensiveness. While it's not as extensive as the King tool set, the higher build quality and thoughtful selection of tools make it a better choice for serious users. Pros include its versatility, durable build, and excellent portability. The only con is that it's slightly more expensive than other mid-range options, but the quality justifies the price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set with VersaStack. This is the premium option on our list, priced at $149, and it's perfect for professional mechanics and serious DIYers. The set includes an extensive range of sockets, ratchets, wrenches, and specialty bits, all organized in a durable 3-drawer VersaStack toolbox. The one-handed locking dial is a thoughtful addition, ensuring secure storage. The tools feature a low-profile ratchet with a 72-tooth mechanism for precision and accessibility. The drawers can be nested for convenient access, and the VersaStack compatibility means you can customize your storage setup. The alloy steel construction and powder-coated finish provide exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. While it's the most expensive set on this list, the comprehensive selection of tools and the premium build quality make it worth every penny. This set is ideal for automotive enthusiasts, mechanics, and anyone who needs a reliable, high-capacity toolkit. Pros include the extensive tool variety, high-quality materials, and innovative storage design. The only downside is the higher price, but you're paying for top-tier quality and versatility. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.